Okay. Hi, we are glad to introduce you our public address and voice alarm system over internet. Okay, that is a compact system. Compact system is a voice alarm system that is a native IP-based voice alarm system that is composed by a front panel, a matrix mainframe with space for several cards, as well as an expansion unit for cards. Here you can see the cards that can be put inside the system, as well as a evacuation microphone, a fireman's microphone that is also IP-based microphone. So everything is under IP. We can use in layer 2 and layer 3 IP networks. It is EN5416 certified. Our website, you can visit at our website that is www.optimusaudio.com.